Matplotlib legend markers only once. I often plot a point on a Matplotlib plot with. However, this causes the legend to put a star in the legend twice, such that it looks like when I really want it to look like. How do I do this?
This should work. BTW if you add the line to your Matplotlib file, then this will be the new default. See also scatter points depending on your plot. API link to API docs.
I like to change my Matplotlib RC parameters dynamically in every Python script. To achieve this goal, I simply use something like that at the beginning of my Python files. This will apply to all plots generated from my Python file. Edit: for those who do not like to import Pylab, the long answer is